BMW is gearing up for the next generation of its best-selling 3 Series, and spy photos are giving enthusiasts a first glimpse of what is to come. This new chapter in the brand's history is shaping up to be very different from what drivers have been used to, with design changes that push the sedan into fresh territory while staying true to BMW's legacy. One of the biggest differences is in the proportions. The new sedan will feature a longer front overhang and a shorter distance between the front axle and the door. This creates a look that is somewhat closer to a front-wheel drive car, even though the core identity of the 3 Series remains intact. The design itself is influenced by the Neue Klasse style, which will become the foundation of BMW's future models. Up front, wide kidney grills blend seamlessly with slim headlights, while the LED daytime running lights display a pair of angled elements on each side. The side profile is also simplified. Gone is the traditional horizontal crease along the doors. Instead, a subtle bulge above the rear wheel arches adds character, complemented by flush, retractable door handles similar to those on the iX3. At the back, horizontal taillights stretch across the rear, featuring a distinctive pattern for the parking lights, while the license plate recess has been moved to the lower portion of the trunk lid. BMW is preparing 2 versions of the new 3 Series. The first will continue with internal combustion engines, including a 2-liter 4-cylinder and a 3-liter inline-six. The second will be the fully electric Neue Klasse model. The high-performance M3 will carry forward a modified version of today's engine in a mild hybrid configuration, ensuring that performance lovers are not left behind. The official premiere is expected next year, and anticipation is already building. BMW is not just refreshing its iconic sedan, it is redefining it for a new era. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates.